Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering and pairing the device. This is the crucial first step. Plug it in and charge to about 80% so firmware updates run reliably. Once done, install the official app, sign in, and enable Bluetooth and location. The app needs both to locate the device. Make sure the device is within 1 to 2 meters of your phone, then press and hold the pairing button for 3 seconds. The app will show a confirmation prompt. Accept it, and wait for the paired status to appear. You now configure how the device tracks and alerts you because settings determine reliability. Start by selecting tracking mode. Choose precision for short-range accuracy versus low power when you need longer battery life. Next, create a geofence. Draw the zone on the map, give it a name, and set enter and exit alerts with sensitivity to reduce false triggers. Then enable alert types, sound, light, or vibration, and register an emergency contact. Finally, use the app's share link if someone else needs temporary access to locate the device. You finish by practicing daily checks and knowing quick fixes so the device stays useful. Each morning, glance at battery percentage, last seen timestamp, and firmware version in the app settings. These catch problems early. If tracking lags, reboot the device, toggle your phone's Bluetooth, force an app refresh, and repair if necessary. If location is inaccurate, move both to an open sky for a fresh GPS lock, update firmware, and clear the app cache. That single troubleshooting step resolves most persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.